Okay, gentlemen, this is our part number PB4502, the one I was talking to y'all about and sent y'all the PDFs on, Mark, and took to dinner. I kind of just want you to watch this little portion and see how we approach machining the part and what it looks like with our machine kinetics. So, having said that, I'm going to walk through this real quickly, then we'll move on to some other aspects. So, let's get started. I'm not showing the turret. I have it suppressed just because it makes the tool easier to see, actually. So if I scroll in here, this is the basics of how we roughed apart. Very straightforward, conventional, not a. And now here we're roughing what we call the indicating track. Now we're finishing the indicating track and face. Now it's going to come back, pull another tool, because it's going to rough turn the back. Now, of course, finish turn. Now here comes one of the harder ones, the grooving on this angle. And as you can tell, it's this is one of the more radial hard parts we got, and the tolerancing is ridiculously tight, but we do make good ones, and it is hard. So anything we can do better would be great. But you see how he's rolling the edges, so we do use a lot of edge shifts. We use multiple sides of the insert, so we definitely have to have good denotation there. And then we're going to bore. With part cycles in between to check the bore, make any compensation move that needs to be made, and run the last path. So basically, for this part that I gave y'all, these are one of the harder parts. I'm kind of going to let it run again live so y'all can see it in more fluidity without me speaking. So having said that, we will rerun it. And I can show the turret if I needed to. For this demonstration, I don't have it shown because I want to see the tool a little bit better. Not sure if you see right here, this roughing strategy is what we call a contour plunge rough. It's roughing it in the contour of its geometry. It's a little different strategies. I'm sure y'all have that also. Then of course the grooving. Boring with part cycles in between. So, in a nutshell, this part right here, dimensionally, is the worst one we have to attain. So this is the one I'd like to focus on getting some really, really good code for, and see where we can go from there. That would be all for the demo video for PB4502.